What is up, you guys? It's Fabian from the Jans channel, and we have just arrived in country number 53. Right now we are in Tbilisi, Georgia, and we're going to explore the city and also go to Baku, Azerbaijan. So right now we are in the old town part of Tbilisi. I'm just going to explore the city today, and then tomorrow, and correct me if I'm wrong, we are going to Nuri, another spot, and then Kazbeki, and that's in like the northern part in the Alps. So that looks really cool. There's a church, the Holy Trinity Church, so we're going to check that out as well. We'll take a look at this beautiful view over the city. So this is traditional Georgian food, and what it is basically butter with cheese and egg, and you have to mix this all together, and then you can just dip all the bread around it and eat all of it. So this looks really delicious. Everything together, let's give it a try. Really good. The egg together with the cheese makes it almost like some kind of special egg. So if you know me, if you know my vlogs, you know I don't like heights. Right now I am taking this cable car towards the castle, and then on the left side you have, oh sorry, on the right side you have the Mother of Georgia. So this looks really beautiful, and I think I bought something like this public transport card. So I paid 20 gel, which is like €6, and then one trip is like 2 gels or something. So it looks really nice. I do like the view, but I don't like the height. And as you can see right over there is my hostel where I'm staying. So on that rooftop I was yesterday. So it does look really nice. So we're right now on top of this gigantic hill overlooking the city of Tbilisi. Take a look at this big view of the Mother of Georgia, and she's watching over Tbilisi. So really amazing to see this. That's one of the biggest churches right over there, so I might go there as well. And today we are also going to check out the castle and the bazaar. And the bazaar is under the ground, so that's really epic how it will look like. That's too bad, they are renovating it. But what we are going to do right now is we're going to walk down it, and here are some botanical gardens. Let's hope that's nice. The weather is around -2 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it might even snow, so look forward to some snow. I'm right now walking in this garden. I think it's because it's winter time, but you don't see a lot of different plants. You see a lot of different trees though. But there were some small cactuses, but I think it's more beautiful in like the spring or the summer. But down there is some water. I think it still looks really cool. Yeah, it's too bad about the castle. I really wanted to go there, but it was a nice trip to get near the Mother of Tbilisi, and I'm also looking forward to tomorrow, where we are going to the Alps. So that's really nice. So Tbilisi is also known for its silver baths, and right over here in front of me is one of the biggest bath houses in Tbilisi. So I might do this. They have like different rooms for different prices. I have to see if I can go in. The biggest one in Tbilisi, and the view is just epic. Like, take a look. I have to climb up all these stairs, and you have this gigantic square in front of it with a beautiful view on the top of the hill again. Really a beautiful city. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.